Hi, today I'm for the VIVO V15 Pro and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere App on this device. So first open the Play Store application because we should get the Ampere application first. Then tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds while our application will download it and then installing on your device. So after that, just tap to open the app, click to yes agree, pick close and tap to OK. So here you will see information about your battery health, capacity, the temperature now is 28.1 degrees, and also I got here more information like the model, Android version and more info. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.